Hello students, how are you? Hope you are doing fine and taking care of your health at home. Stay at home and stay safe. I know everybody is having a lot of interest in the skill lab activities, and that is the reason I am here today to give you an overview of what we are going to learn in Standard 7. So, in Standard 6, we have finished Introduction to Basic Electronics, Ohm's Law, and few product-based activities which includes electronic torch, night lamp, bug robot, etc. Now we are going to learn about digital electronics, which includes learning of binary numbers, binary logics, and of course logic gates. By understanding logic 1s and 0s, one can think of how the data, binary data, can be processed and stored in the computer systems or any digital systems. The major product-based activities we are going to perform in Standard 7 are fire alarm, automatic door opening system, and 6 LED variable night intensity lamp. These circuits are application based. You will get an electronic components and a printed sheet onto which the complete circuit diagram along with the functioning of the circuit will be given. You have to understand its complete operation and working. You have to identify all those components and have to solder all these electronic components onto the PCB. Here you can see students are doing soldering and the complete packaging of the product. And now the 3 LED and 6 LED variable light intensity lamp is ready. You can see. Now everybody knows importance of computer. Computer has become very important nowadays because it is very much accurate, fast, and can accomplish many tasks easily. Here we learn how the computer parts can work together. An embedded system is a computer-based system with a particular defined function within a larger mechanical or electrical system. They control many devices in common use. They consume low power, are of small size, and their cost is low per unit. New technology, that is IoT, is a concept of interacting with things. The difference between embedded system and IoT is that embedded systems are electronic systems not necessarily connected things to the internet. On the other hand, IoT based systems are the systems which are connected things to the internet. Here you are going to learn Arduino Uno hardware and the software. You can see the different types of instructions in the window. See, these kids have burned the program of LED flashing onto the Arduino Uno board. You can see the flashing onto the LEDs. We are also going to visit the Indian bottling plant at Chakan to understand the real application of embedded system. Thank you and take care students. Stay at home and stay safe. Bye bye.